sweetheart.
Hi, Sam.
What are you?
I'm a bee.
You're a bee?
Yeah.
You're an awfully cute little bee. What's Grandma got over there in the corner?
Okay.
What is that?
A pumpkin.
A pumpkin? Can you turn around here so I can see you? Addie?
I'm a chameleon.
You are?
Can you look at us and smile?
I'm a sand this one.
You want to sit on that step?
No, I'm a stick.
Last year you sat over there.
You sit.
Last year you sat on the doorstep. Do you want to look at the flower?
Can you look at me, little bee? Look at me and smile.
I'm a sit down right here.
Will you smile?
I won't.
Why not?
No.
Do you want candy?
You gotta make one really good picture.
I'm gonna go way over here.
You can't fly?
Look at me.
You have wings. Why can't you fly?
Tell me about it.
I can climb because that plane is too big.
I can't hear you because you won't look at me.
That plane is too big. Where is Papa doing?
Where is Bob Bob?
Is he moving?
Are you being ornery? Huh?